The new Q2 drive series from Omron is composed by a high-end closed-loop vector-capable drive, the Q2A, and an open-loop vector inverter, the Q2V. Full configuration of these drives can be achieved without knowing a single drive parameter location. The wizard can be accessed from the main LCD menu. The integrated step-by-step questions will guide you through the main configuration aspects of the drive, from selecting the type of motor and mode of operation to selecting the run and speed reference source. In case of Q2B, the LCD is optional, but with a single operator panel it is possible to set up all your Q2B drives. Some features will only be available when the LCD is permanently connected, such as real-time clock or permanent trace log function in SD card. The wizard will ask a series of questions until your drive is ready to run. Even the automatic motor parameter tuning function can be started from here. Once the drive is configured, save the settings to one of the permanent storage memories in the LCD. This can be stored for future use as a backup or directly copied to another drives in the machine with the same function. In 2 minutes, you are ready to run the motor with high-quality control from any control source.